Gusto mo bang malaman kung anong mga ginagamit kong tools para mas maging effective virtual assistant ako, specifically executive virtual assistant? Let's break it down. First, may ginagamit tayong Google Workspace. So, dito natin minamanage ang mga documents, sheets, emails para mas smooth ang collaboration with clients. Then, second, we have Trello. Tina-track dito ang mga tasks, projects, at ang saya mag-color code sa Trello. Then, third, we have Slack. So, this is real-time communication channel or a platform where you can communicate with your team members and also with the clients para mas napapag-usapan ng mabuti kung ano na yung progress ng tasks or projects. Next, we have Canva. So, sa Canva naman, ginagamit ito for presentations and also ginagamit din siya for social media posting sa different social media platforms. And lastly, we have Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. So, ginagamit ito for virtual meetings and mas nagiging smooth yung pag-uusap in every meeting, and that's something that really helps sa team members and also with the clients na mas mapapadaling matapos ang task kasi it's better to communicate through visuals, kahit na virtual lang, nakakapag-usap kayo rather than just sending emails about the task. So, maganda talagang nagbe-brainstorming once in a while. And also, if I may add, I'm also leveraging yung power ng AI. So, I have AI Note Taker. Ginagamit ko to whenever there are important meetings, especially hindi naman lahat is nakukuha natin through manual note-taking, yung mga important topics, yung mga important takeaways dun sa meeting na yon. So, AI note-taker is something that you can leverage para sa ganitong klaseng situation. So, no AI is 100% accurate. So, make sure na kapag nasasend na sa'yo yung recording or yung meeting notes, you have to review and make sure na tama yung mga nasa meeting notes before you send out sa iyong mga team members and of course, kay client. So, yun lang for now. I'll be doing more videos